Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Bretylium. This bretylium is actually a pharmacological defibrillator. This bretylium will release the it will decrease. Actually, this bretylium will decrease the release of norepinephrine initially, and later it will cause the blockade of ganglions. So, this bretylium is actually a complex ganglion blocker. So bretylium is a complex granular blocker. So uses of bretylium. Bretylium can be used in treating arrhythmias, especially it is used in treating the hypothermia induced arrhythmias. It is used in bupivacaine induced arrhythmias also we can use it in. Then we can also use it in drug refractory arrhythmias also. We can use this bretylium, and this is not given in coronary artery disease. It is not given in coronary artery disease induced arrhythmias, and it is not given in digitalis induced arrhythmias. We cannot give this bretylium. So this bretylium is used in hypothermia induced arrhythmias, bupivacaine induced arrhythmias, and also drug induced arrhythmias. So in these arrhythmias we can use bretylium.
thank you and thank you for watching.